Yo guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry if I did do a video earlier. This is just a very quick update right now. This thing is 115 miles an hour. It's not looking that good. I'll quickly show you some satellite imagery. Its eye has gone, basically. Its eye's gone. It's no longer looking good. It's got dry air around it, wind shear. Moving into cool SSTs, not looking good for the system at all. As you can see, it does look good, but the NHC think it's 115 miles an hour. So here is the intensity models for this storm. This storm peaked as a remarkable category 4 yesterday. Remarkable Cat 4. Now a low end category 3, which is kind of crazy just to speak of. How much this thing exploded in intensity. So we do have this system in the Atlantic. It doesn't look like it's going to do much. We also have this in the Pacific. But it is moving into the Central Pacific now. Now, if I show you a couple of bits real quick. Here's what the eye looks like right now. Sorry if I didn't talk for that long, guys. I paused it. I didn't, pause it. But anyway, the eye is starting to close. I think it's going through an eye wall replacement cycle. And plus it's starting to get that elongated look to it. Latest frames. Plus it's moving into some dry air, very cool with SSTs, wind shear. Kind of crazy. This system is exploding like that in intensity. But you guys are doing these update videos. Just let me know. Comment down below what you want me to improve on. Then I'll improve what you want me to do. It's graphics and stuff. So yeah. And here is the forecast models for quite a lot for the Atlantic. The Atlantic, you can see the area's spin, which doesn't really do much. And then obviously you got no well, you do have a system on the 26th of July that is coming off the coast of Africa. Do you see that? Look, there's frames. Boom. So, and also with the East pack, I'll show you the Eastern Pacific right now. Eastern Pacific, kind of going ham. One sec. Eastern Pacific. East pack is kind of going ham right now. You can see that storm. You can see Derby weakening. You can see this storm, which becomes basically another Category 4 storm, and then weekends out, and there's nothing, and then basically I think the Pacific has the rest, and that's when the Atlantic could have an opportunity of trying to get the development over from the Pacific. So yeah, anyway guys, I hope you know like the video. To comment, subscribe and share. Share this video with your family and friends on social media so they can stay up to date on all the latest weather news around you. So yeah, anyway, peace out and have a great day.